Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings, here in this first page of settings, then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Google Wallet. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page of storage, we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.